to today's video. In today's video, we have the exponential equation 4 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x, all divided by 2 to the power of x equals to 1. And we have to find the value of the unknown x in this equation. Now, to start with, you look at the left-hand side of your equation. We have 4 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x. This is what we have at the left-hand side of the equation. That is, this is the left-hand side. This is the right-hand side. Now, to make your solution very quick to get, the first thing you need to do is you split up this left-hand side into individual fractions. By that, I mean you do 4 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x. Now, this can be simplified further in such a way that I have this to cancel this, and I'm left with 4 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x minus 1. So it's more like saying a divided by a. That gives us 1. So I can bring this easily and say, therefore, 4 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x minus 1 equals 1. Now, to make this a little bit simpler, I'll take the minus 1 from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. And I have 4 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x equals to 1. Add 1. 1 add 1 is going to give me 2. So I can say this is 4 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x equals 2. Now, I can express 4 as 2 to the power of something, and 4 is 2 to the power of 2. So it means this can be 2 to the power of 2x over 2 to the power of x equals 2. Now, applying the law of indices, this can become 2 to the power of 2x minus x equals to 2. 2x minus x is going to give me x. So it means 2 to the power of x equals to 2. Mind you, if we do remember, I can write 2 as 2 to the power of 1. Now, since the base are equal, it means that the index must be equal. Hence, it means that x is equal to 1. And that is the solution we are looking for. See you on the next one. Thank you.